More Pokemon! We're going to get the Charizard! Come on now. I always have issues opening these. Why? I'm just gonna get fucking scissors or something. Alright, Carablast. Uh-oh. I saw it already. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, Starly, Treebee, Ryalu, Starly again. What the fuck? Ooh, Vaporeon. What the fuck? I already actually got this. Oh, Charmander! I don't think I got on both of these cards, but it's a good pro, yeah! And some fucking energy and some other shit. Oh, Claydol! Alright. There's the code. Bye.